Hello guys, welcome to Textbook Banking YouTube channel. Here I am with your very important video which is regarding SBI PO Phase 3 Psychometric Test. Now the psychometric test date is out. It is 31st May 2025, right? So what is this test? What mistakes to avoid is what I'm going to tell you here. Very important for your third phase test, right? Now psychometric test which is mandatory to give, everybody will get the call letter. This is mandatory, don't skip this test. ये जरूरी है कि आप attempt करें, ये test के लिए जाएं. Mandatory to give this test. 3 mistakes you must avoid for in this particular psychometric test, which is your personality test, right? Number 1, don't give extreme answers. Don't give extreme answers. What are extreme answers? For example, if the question is, do you get angry easily? Do you get angry easily? Okay. Now here you will get options like strongly agree, first option. Okay. You will get options like strongly agree. Number 2, agree. Number 3, neutral. Okay. Number 4, disagree. And number 5, strongly disagree. So please, even if you know that you get angry or you are short-tempered, the question can be, are you short-tempered or do you get angry easily? Don't, now you know personally that yes, sometimes I get angry, but don't give extreme answers. Be careful when you are marking. Just don't mark strongly agree or strongly. Try to avoid very strong or extreme answers. ठीक है, तो सोच समझ के आंसर करना है. Don't give extreme answers for most of the questions. You should not give. Some people make this mistake. If you are being too honest and giving extreme answers, that can definitely have a role in your interview. That you might be questioned by the panel members. Now, inconsistent answers. This is very important. You might find some questions are very close, right? So you cannot give inconsistent answers where they will feel that this person is bluffing. तो ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि आप झूठ आंसर कर रहे हो. आपने सेक्शन 1 के आंसर्स में लिखा है आई अग्री, okay, for a particular question related to your behavior, that you know the person must be not scolded in public. Do you think people should not be scolded in public? You say I agree, but in the next question, similar pattern question, you are saying disagree. So there should not be inconsistency. Maintain what you feel is right. Okay, otherwise they will know that you are bluffing. Okay, so no bluffing here in your answers. Third mistake what some people give is dishonest answers. This is like, you see why they ask you 199 questions. Why? Because here the list is huge. They will catch if you are marking wrong answers, if extreme answers or dishonest answers, bluffing, they might catch. So I will not say, be very honest, because you can't mark I get angry very easily, strongly agree. Obviously in exam they are checking your personality. They want to see if you are a right fit for the job. Personality trait is right fit for the job. So if you get easily angry, how will you manage bank work? How can you be a good banker? You have to be polite to customers. You are in a service industry. Customers must be happy. You have to keep the customer happy. You have to be polite. You can't get angry. So you can't be very brutally honest. Okay. You can work on your behavior, but there please give balanced answers. That is the point. Okay. And being dishonest means you are bluffing every question. That is also easily caught in these kind of tests, because they give you 199 questions. Last year 199 questions, 90 minutes test. Some people will cover this test, complete it in half an hour also. It does not require so much time, but in the exam they give you time to think. But this is a very you can say basic. Section wise 4 sections are given. Section A will have only 2 options, but other sections will have 5 options like this: strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. So what I have told you, please remember for psychometric, be careful. Do not give extreme answers. Okay, and do not bluff basically. How to manage, and we will practice a few questions in the class. In my batch you will get the psychometric class also. So this is your SBI PO mock interview, two group discussion mocks, 2 group exercise, 2 interview mocks, psychometric classes, everything in this pack you will get. We are giving you an offer. Okay, almost this is like more than 50% discount. Okay, more than 50% discount. So you can buy right now. The sale is on. Code is Harshita, HARSHITA. So you will get maximum discount. Okay, you will get in 524 personalized feedback, guidance, my mentorship, psychometric classes, 2 group GDs, mock GDs, 2 group mock exercises, everything. So this is going to be very, very useful. If you are giving SBI PO phase 3, 100%, give your 100%, because clearing mains is a big deal. It is SBI PO, right? One of the toughest exams. You have done that. Congratulations. But let's give our best in phase 3 also. Now, if you are interested in the course, let me know in the comments below. My Telegram group is Harshita Ma'am Textbook. I'll share the course link in the comments also. You can use my code Harshita and enroll today. See you in the classes. Thank you, guys.